Now let's go back to our first HTML file and rewrite it in the proper way. We delete everything first. In the first line, you put the version declaration. A set of brackets. Inside the brackets, 3 components. Exclamation mark, doc type, HTML. Version declaration is case insensitive, but you are recommended to capitalize doc type and use small letters for HTML. This will make your code look more professional. Now, next, the 4 basic HTML tags. HTML tag draws the ultimate boundary. Inside it, the head and body tag. Inside the head tag, we put the title tag and set a title for the web page. Contents inside the body tag are for website users. Therefore, everything you want your users to see should be put here. We haven't learned how to set language encoding yet, so for now, only put English letters and numbers. Do not try other languages at the moment. After you've got everything ready, you can test the file on your browser. You have 2 options here. You can open the file directly on the browser, or you can go to the top bar of Notepad++ and click the Run button. On the browser, we can see all the words we wrote inside the body tag have been displayed. If you look at the top of the browser window, you can see the title we set. And now, do a little practice on your own. Make sure you can write the version declaration and basic HTML structure proficiently.